Hello YouTube, welcome to this video, and it's another of my lighter series which I'm doing on Zippo lighters. You might have seen the one on the Florentine lighter, also the leather lighter, a tribute to BELLE KOGAN, and also the introduction to the series. And this week I've got my favourite so far, which is this one. Comes in a genuine Zippo box, made in America, and it's a Battle Britain 1940. These lighters are available in Ireland, the UK, South Africa, Australia and New Zealand. Sorry they don't post them to other countries, because quite a few people have said, can I have one please? Unfortunately, RJ doesn't have access to large amounts of lighters, so I can't ship. The Battle Britain is one of the events you learn at school, and it was one of the turning points of the Second World War, as you probably realise. Wonderful bit of artwork. There's the back, the side, the other side, the bottom with the Zippo mark, and just to see, it's like that. I'll show you to fill it up, but that's my next job. Okay, it comes with a company booklet where it says 1940, obviously, and in the late spring of 1940 Churchill became Prime Minister of the UK. That's Winston Churchill. Great cigar smoker, by the way. 2 days after the French sought an armistice with Hitler's Germany, Churchill addressed the House of Commons on the 18th of June 1940. The Battle of France is over. The Battle of Britain is about to begin, and began warning about the consequences, defeat and the struggle ahead. The Battle of Britain, the conflict in the air, is now given to said conflict between the RAF and the German Luftwaffe, which took place over the English Channel and also over the UK. The campaign lasted until September, when Hitler called off the planned invasion and turned his attention to the Soviet Union. It was at the height of the Battle of Britain on 20th of August that Churchill, and that's a good cigar smoker with his famous sign, made another inspirational speech to the House of Commons. With the nation expecting an imminent German invasion, the Prime Minister gave an optimistic summary of the nation's defences. The whole island bristles against invaders from the sea or from the air. And he goes on to say, never in the field of human conflict has so much owed by so many to so few. All our hearts go out to the Battle of Britain pilots, and it was a very rousing speech against Hitler, Germany, Nazism, etc., etc. As history unfolded, Hitler's decision to invade the Soviet Union was one of his reasons for his downfall. And a pair of chrome Zippo lighters are shown here, celebrating the 111 CXI Squadron RAF, which operated Hurricane fighters during the Battle of Britain, and a black Scorpion mascot of the 84th Squadron, which fought overseas in the dark days of 1940. Over on the other side is the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight, and a bit showing From the Battle of Britain until the end of World War II, enlisted RAF personnel and German GIs left their markers in the service in an unusual place, the Seal and the Eagle pub in Cambridge. The pub's law is that the servicemen and women use lighters, candles, smoke and lipstick to leave their names and planes and unit numbers, but anyone lucky enough to own a Zippo lighter use that instead. With a Zippo lighter full of fluid, they can write out their full message no matter how many times the pub doors swung open on said ceiling. The Eagle pub dates back to the 14th century, but probably is very clinical and, of course, non-smoking. Next page deals with the Battle of Britain itself. Continuing about the speech, then it talks about the politics of the 1940. Coventry Cathedral was destroyed in 1940 on the 14th of November. Before moving on to the series which is doing on Collectible of the Year. Let's get back to that lighter before I move on. A wonderful bit of artwork. My favourite of the series so far. Okay. A popular lighter series issued by Zippo is the Collectible of the Year, and the series started in 1992, which celebrated Zippo's 60th anniversary. The Midnight Chrome lighter was the 60th anniversary, and the following year was the 1935 Varga Girl was featured. In 1994, the familiar black crackled finish of a military lighter was revisited as Zippo celebrated the 50th anniversary of the Allied landings in Normandy. The Mysteries of the Forest set followed in 1995, which was environmentally themed artwork which saw animals and plants of the rainforest on miniature canvas and a rainforest scene. Windy the 1996 collectible girl was Joan, who put a new spin on the pin-up girl look of the World War II era. In 1997, Zippo marked its 65th anniversary with Art Deco sign of a lighter, and I'll show you those pictures here and over here. Close-up photography is available at the end. Okay. In 1998, Collectible of the Year celebrated the 50th anniversary of the Zippo car. Only 100,000 Y2K, that's 2000 Millennium lighters, were produced in 1999. And if you manage to get your hands on one, it's probably worth quite a bit of money. It featured a message that read, "One world, one future," and the first to use the TVD titanium coating, the same material used to keep the US space shuttle from overheating when it re-enters the Earth's atmosphere. Keep of the Flame edition followed in 2000, and Hollywood also fell in love with this tint with the lighter, and a gold dust finish was added to the lighter to imitate their walk of fame. And in 2002, 11th collectible of the year, Friends for a Lifetime, the 70th anniversary of the lighter. The series was suspended 2003 to 2013 when it made a comeback with a salute to Windy, the famous Zippo windproof lady, and taking the form of a 1935 replica lighter. And that lighter is shown there. In 2015, Full Circle was launched. George Duke personally selected this design, created by Grant Force. His son Grant is fourth generation member of the Zippo family. And that lighter is shown there. Okay, wonderful bit of artwork. Really looking forward to admiring this on my tobacco shelves. Next week, we're going to forward a few decades to 1969 and the moon landing, and that's in next week's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Check out my other Zippo lighters in this series down below, and check out the artwork from this excellent book that comes with the series. The lighter costs £19.99 in the UK. Stay lit, guys, and thank you for watching.